Hello everybody and welcome back to Turning Tuesday. In today's episode, I thought I'd have a go at making a hexagonal bowl because in all honesty, I'm scared of making a squarish bowl and I know this is going to come round and chop my hand off, so I thought I'd go for the easy option today. Let's get going. So funnily enough, this bit of material is left over from my first ever bowl, which turned beautifully. Not entirely sure on the species, but it looked cool at the end of it, so we'll go with it. So I'm going to get the center point on this, get the hexagon cut out and just sanded to shape. I'm not going for anything like massively accurate with this because there's not a lot of point in my eyes, but I mean, don't get me wrong, it will be pretty accurate by the end of it. So with laying out a hexagon, it's actually pretty easy. Whatever you make the radius of the circle, simply get a point on the circumference and then just walk it round and you'll find that the setting that you've got locked in there should create 6 points around the circumference, which will give you your hexagon. Geometry. What's going on here then? I swear this is supposed to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Yeah, that's close enough. Alright, so yeah, we got a few firsts for my wood turning journey. Hexagonal bowl, and I've decided to mount it on the the screw chuck this time, as opposed to screwing it in with a faceplate. I've lost it anyway, never mind. So yeah, this seems like a pretty good method of holding it, and it means that there is only one hole in the center for me to try and remove, as opposed to 6 screw holes that would have been in the faceplate. So I'm liking this, I'm liking this. Well, we're certainly getting there, but what I'm trying to work out, how do you get to that corner without going through the side? Like that just, I don't get it. I actually don't get it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm just going to go for it and see what happens, but... Okay, so I'm pretty sure the only thing that I've actually achieved here is making a completely lethal weapon. I mean, these edges, They are just, wait, get in focus. Like that's not even a millimetre thick. Oh. Oh wow. Oh my lord. Wow. Okay, I'm starting to think this is a bit of a lost cause. It'd be rude not to experiment while I'm here. Okay, I'm not encouraging anyone to do this. I am not responsible for anyone who is stupid enough to copy me in doing this. But I want to try and cut this bottle. So yeah. Oh wow, it actually did it. Okay. So yeah, nice little cut in that. Ended up getting some wood inside it as well. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead before I have a silly accident. Let's take these corners off because, yeah, there's not a lot of structural integrity in these and they're a bit iron brewy now. Ah! Woo! I think we'll call it a money tray, shall we? You guys seemed to like it last time when I made a bowl and just did all sorts of random stuff to it. I'm going to try dye this one blue. Oh. I thought it'd be bluer than that. Never mind, let's go with it. And before you say it, yes, I am aware that dyeing a dark timber is not the best thing. I genuinely thought this would actually be a little bit bluer than this, but there we go. Let's go with it. Next step, orange on the bottom. Yeah, that's better. Look at that. We're onto something here. Next step will be Osmo. Well, to be honest, I think that was an all right save. Now, I am just going to say, please do not intentionally try what I just did over there with that hexagonal bowl. This is the problem with having a platform like this where people can see what I'm doing, because as soon as I do something stupid, there's potential for people to copy it. Don't do it, not worth it. You've seen what it can do to the poor old iron brew bottle. It will do that to your hand if you get anywhere near it. So don't try that, but yeah, good save. And I'm quite liking the colours on this. The blue looks a bit naff after I applied Osmo, but the orange on the bottom is, yeah, that's made quite a difference. I'm very happy with that. It actually looks almost like Paducah now, to be honest. Yeah, looks good. So, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.